Welcome to Digital Access Pass. My name is Veena Prashant, and in this video, I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how you can connect DAP with your email platform using DAP's Visual Automation Engine. Now, DAP has a direct integration with all leading email platforms, but even if you want to integrate DAP with a platform that it doesn't have a direct integration with, you can use one of the integrators such as Pabbly Connect or Zapier. DAP integrates with anything that supports webhooks. So as long as you are able to use an integrator that supports webhooks, you can easily integrate DAP with any platform that you want, right? So you can use one of the integrators or automation platforms to integrate DAP. And all of this can be configured at product level. In DAP, everything is a product, whether it's an online course, whether it's a digital download, whether it's a membership, it's all a product in DAP. So you can configure things at product level, which means if you want to add users to different lists, based on the products that they are signing up for, you can do that. And you can assign different tags based on what they are signing up for. And you can also send membership password from DAP to your email platform. So if you want to send all emails from your platform, including the welcome email with the login credentials, you can do that because you can configure DAP to send the membership password along with their login email to your email platform. It will take you just a few minutes to set this all up. In this video, I'll show you how you can integrate DAP with ActiveCampaign, and you can follow the same steps to integrate DAP with your email platform. So let's take a look. So when you log into the DAP dashboard, under the products menu, you will find Manage Automations. Click on it and it will bring you to a page like this. And to integrate DAP with your email platform, you need to do two things. Number one, click on Add External Connection and connect DAP with your platform. And this is something you just have to do once. When you click on it, it will bring you to a page like this where you can say add a new external connection and enter the details here. For example, if you're looking to integrate with ActiveCampaign, enter the API URL and the API key here, right? So this is something you can get from your ActiveCampaign account, and you only have to do this once. And after you set this up, then going forward, all you have to do is go to the automation page and set up your product automations. So I'm going to click on product automation and show you how this works. All right, so say that this is the name of the product and I want to set up automation. So select the product, click on start automation. All right, so the first step is add a trigger. So you need to add a trigger, and there are two options here: when users receive access or when users lose access. So if you want to start this automation when users get access to a product, select the first one. So when users register for a free offer or when they make a purchase of a paid product or a paid course or membership on your site and you want to trigger this automation, then select when users get access to a product. And if you want to trigger it when users cancel their subscription, then you can select this option, user loses access to product. So I'm going to select this option, users get access to product. So if users get access to this product, what should happen next? So here you can select your platform and DAP will automatically add user to the right list in your platform. So for example, I'm going to select ActiveCampaign here, select action, add to list. And there are different options: add to list, remove from list, add tag, remove tag. I'm going to select the first option and select list. So currently I just have this one list. I'm going to select this one. And because we have already connected DAP using add external connection, so DAP is already connected, DAP knows how to talk to ActiveCampaign. So all you have to do is let DAP know that what should happen when users get access to a specific product or a specific course in your membership site. So in this case, I want to add users to this list in ActiveCampaign. Do you want to assign a tag? So yes, I want to assign this tag when they get access to this product. Also, do you want to send your membership password? If you set this to yes, be sure to read the instruction here. You will have to create a custom field called password in your ActiveCampaign account. And then DAP will send the membership password to ActiveCampaign and it will be stored in this field in ActiveCampaign. So later on, say that you want to send a welcome email from ActiveCampaign, you can use the personalization tag that ActiveCampaign gives you for the password for this field, all right? So you can send it that way. So for example, this is ActiveCampaign and under lists, there is manage fields. I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to click on add field. Field name, it has to be all uppercase password and add. This is the personalization tag you can use in your ActiveCampaign emails if you want to send users their password. So their email is this one and their password is this one. So you can let them know they can log in using this email and this password if you want to send the welcome email directly from ActiveCampaign. All right. Here in DAP, I have said, do you want to send membership password? I have set this to yes. So DAP will now connect to ActiveCampaign. And when users get access to this product in DAP, DAP will add them to this list in ActiveCampaign, assign them this tag, and also send membership password, which will be stored in a custom field in ActiveCampaign. So I'm going to go ahead and save action. So now I can give users access using the add member interface in DAP backend to test it, right? So I don't have to actually make a purchase or register using the front end. I can do this in the back end as well. All right, so this is the DAP members add interface. So I'm going to add this user to this product for which I have set the automation rule. I'm going to go ahead and click on add member. Now DAP should have triggered the automation and added the user to the right list with the right tag in ActiveCampaign, and the password should be in the password field. All right, so you can see here, this is ActiveCampaign contact list, and I can see this user is here. Let's take a look at the tag and the password. I'm going to click on the name. Here you can see the tag was assigned correctly, customer tag, and the password. You can see here the password is here as well, right? So when users get access to the product, I want to add them. I want to add another trigger here and say when users lose access to this product because of cancellation, then I want to remove their access from the list, right? I want to remove them from the list. So here, and I want to remove the tag as well, because this user is no longer a customer. Save. That's it. So this is how it works. This is the DAP members page. I'm going to remove this user's access to this product and see if this triggers the automation. So this is the user. This is the product. I'm going to click on this trash icon to manually remove this user's access to the product. But if there is an actual cancellation, it will automatically trigger it upon the cancellation event. But in this case, for testing purposes, I'm just going to click on this trash icon next to the product. So you can see here, I'm here. There's no tag here. And you can see in the recent activity event, unsubscribed from list, right? So DAP has unsubscribed this user from the list and also removed the tag. This is how easy it is to use DAP's automation engine to automate everything. So say that you use an email platform that does not have direct integration with DAP. What you can do in that case is use the same steps, but in the step 1 where it says add new trigger, if users get access to the product, step 2 is add an action. What should happen? So here you can select any one of these options. Now the way it integrates with these platforms is through Webhook. So what you have to do is log into Zapier, for example, and create a webhook. And when you create a webhook, it's going to give you a URL for your webhook. So for example, at Zapier, it will give you a URL. Enter that here, right? And then test the connection. So Zapier knows what kind of information will be sent by DAP. And after that, you can save the action, and that's it. And DAP will send all the information to that webhook URL. And then you can create an action event in Zapier to connect it to your email platform. So whether you use Zapier or Pabbly Connect or one of these platforms, or just a direct webhook URL, if you have your own webhook handler script that you have written in PHP, then you can enter that URL here. When you use one of these automation platforms, the benefit is DAP sends not just the name, email, and password and the tag, but also additional information such as order details, user details, product details, all of that to these platforms. And then you can do the mapping in these platforms and send whatever information you want to your platform. So this is how it works, and you can connect DAP with not just one. Here you can see I have connected it to 5 different platforms. So the action is 5 different platforms, and the trigger is when users get access to product. DAP also supports tag-based automation. You can see all the tag-based options that we have in DAP right here under tag-based automations. So here you can see customer tags. When users register to a product, you can give them tags. When their purchase fails, when they abandon the checkout, when they purchase a course or a membership, or upon a subscription payment or a one-off payment, you can give them different tags, and you can select the product name and the tag you want to give them or remove, right? So you can set up your tag rules here. You can give them course completion tags, you can give lesson completion tags, and then you can trigger tag-based automations. Means when users get a specific tag, what should happen next? So the one I showed you earlier was the product automation, but for tags, you can click on tag automation. It will bring you here. You can select the tag. For example, if this is the tag, which means when users get this tag, you want to start an automation. And you can set up the automation rules here. And here you can see when users get this tag, then what should happen? You can add an action. When users get this tag, then, and this is the tag they get in DAP. You can add them to a specific list, inactive campaign, and give them a specific tag. So that's up to you. And DAP supports not just product automation, but also tag-based automation. There's one more thing I want to show you when it comes to product automations. Here, when you click on Add Action, you can see here there's an option here that says DAP. What this means is when users get access to product A in DAP, say that you want to give them automatic access to another product, you can do that too, right? So you can set up automation rules to say when users get access to a specific product in DAP, you want to give them access to a completely different product, right? You can do this. Now, if you have a completely different website where you have DAP and you want to connect two different DAP sites, which means when they get access to a specific product in site A, you want to give them access to a product in site B, you can do that too using our DAP to DAP plugin. And you can enter all the details. It will let you select the product names from the other DAP site. And once you have done that and set up the automation, DAP will automatically give users access to a product on a completely different DAP site. I hope this was helpful. There's so many different options. There's so many different ways you can automate your membership website using DAP's unique and very powerful automation engine. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to click on the subscribe button if you are watching on YouTube to subscribe. My name is Veena Prashant. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.